What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. It's cold today. It's Christmas, man. Merry Christmas to y'all. I know y'all seeing this late, but hope y'all enjoyed the holiday. Had a Merry Christmas. So, finna get Wifey initial reaction, man. This is Christmas present. Y'all know all the work. Y'all don't know, but there's been a lot of work put in Emma, and she has not heard it. The car came back a couple days early. Huge shout out to Rick, man, for help making this possible. But she has not seen it. She has not heard it. She's been very anxious, man. So I can't wait to show her, cause she about to love it. So we're gonna catch her first reaction on camera. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We on? Y'all see the kids in the? You probably hear them. They going ham, berserk. So let me brighten it up. So you know, after so many years together, it's Christmas presents get kind of hard to see what you want, but here you go. I really couldn't hide this one from her. It would been kind of hard to pull it off, to hide it, but the best thing I could do is let you just not hear anything or none of that. So I had it in there with the headphones on, cause I know it's super cold.
Yeah, I couldn't hear anything, y'all.
I can't wait. Well, she hit that key. When you hit that key, she ain't had her car in a few months.
Yes, it's been a minute.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Huh?
Wait a minute. I gotta get a reel to y'all for. I'm getting a reel to y'all. So your first reaction, you just getting your car back. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
We let's see what you think. She already hit the gas. You think you doing something? You didn't get out so you can really listen to it. Oh yeah, you see all your stuff cleaned up in there.
Oh yeah, I gotta see it.
Turn your heat thing, hit the heat. You heat everything. Get out so you can hear it. You can't even really hear it.
It sounds way different.
Yeah, it's gonna ride way different too.
Yeah, I can't wait to ride it.
You ready to do a burnout?
Huh?
You ready to do a burnout? Alright. You wanna look on the hood? Hold on. Now this right here. Hold on, wait a minute. I got. Oh, let me get these keys. This right here is what I really want you to see. Cause you remember how this ended up looking.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh, she gonna break her own car. Hold on. Wait a minute.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah.
Now don't that look like night and day?
Yeah, this is complete from what it looked like for real.
Like night and day.
Yes. It don't even look like the same car up under here. It's totally different.
What you think?
It looks good.
She can't wait. She probably can't wait to drive her car. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. It's a few days later, but as y'all can see, like I said, Wifey really enjoyed her Christmas present, man. I'm glad she got Emma back, man. By this time, man, she done revealed the video. She dropped it. So if you haven't, go over there and check it out. And her aunt Emma actually was at the house the day of Christmas, so she got to see it and her reaction on there too, with her seeing the engine, the new setup, and hearing it too. So y'all get to see that too on the vlog. But Said the next day, man, I'm gonna add this in. Cause we don't never show y'all, but y'all know we be getting it in gym and stuff. So I'm gonna put a few clips of this in here. But we went to the academy today. Y'all see I picked up a load, man. This stuff high, man. Like for people wanting to start a home gym and do some good stuff, like I'm finna tell you, it's expensive. It high, man. I'm just being real, like. So the predicament we be having, so we did one workout this morning, but we met yesterday. Well, we didn't miss it. Wife was stopped up, stuffy nose, so I was like, well, we'll double up. Sometimes we do 2 a day. So, and it take time to get your body like that condition where you can do that. But sometimes she squat and I'm benching. So we do our 2 compound lift together. So she squat heavy, I bench heavy. So I be having to switch the plates. Cause I be benching 315, I go up to 375 sometimes, put some reps stuff, and then she'll be squatting between 225 on the low side up to 315 on the heavy side. So then I'm having to transfer weights. So I was like, man, we need some more weights. So we deadlifting and stuff like that. So I got some 45. And man, when the shot get up, which will be next year for sure. When the shot go up, man, this gym will be complete. Y'all gonna see everything come together. But I'm just saying it's expensive, man. Buying the mat, if somebody into working out and stuff, which I'm sure some of y'all need some advice on how much the stuff is or where to get the stuff, let me know. But the mat, man, between the mat, and I got some more, I just ain't finished it out, cause y'all know we got to clear all this out. Most of it going in the shop. But the mat's high. Then you get a good bench. I'm gonna have another bench in here, a roll around bench. This commercial grade right here. This is commercial grade squat rack or power rack, which it has the pull-up station and you drop down to do dips and stuff. It's a real heavy duty squat rack, got the weights built into it. But these right here, the free weights, it went high. Man, these joker here, $65 a piece. So these 6 was I got 6 of these today. So now I got 14.45. So they was $65 a piece. I don't even know how much these were. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just grabbed them, cause I need them. And then I got the belt. I don't know how much the belt was. I gotta look on the receipt. And I got one more thing. We got some wrist wrap gloves and stuff. But it's still high, man. You wanna build your gym. If you wanna take the high part, go ahead and get your free weight first. Cause all together, when you add in free weight, dumbbells, all this stuff, man, thousands. The power rack right here, I think I paid $700 for it. I think it was $760 or something like that. But you talking about $760 right here, and I paid with all with these weights, this belt, the gloves, and I got I can't think. It's a pivot station, like when you want to do inverted squats and stuff, barbell squats. But all this stuff about $600 today. So you talking about that whole thing $700. But if you add all these free weights up and the dumbbells and stuff, and I gotta get some more dumbbells, cause we got 50s, but I need 45s. And then from 45, we need 55, 60. I got 65. My pop gave me them. These 2 65, them 85. But I really need heavier than that. So 65, then we need 70, 75, then 90, 95. And I need up to probably 130 pound dumbbells. And I'm probably handling them too. I'm pretty sure I've been doing 130s. I did 130s like 4 years ago. So I probably do more than that. But the junk get high, basically. So I'm just sharing it with y'all, man. We picked that up. But wife will be out here in a minute. Gonna get it in, then we'll close the vlog out, man, cause I got some more stuff to tell y'all, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, we checking in, y'all. So today we getting like I just showed y'all what I picked up. But I told him to throw in some clips. Wifey behind the camera, like I said, we added this in with her receiving her car. Then we're gonna get her next. So y'all can see her be like that.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just man. But I got 840 right now, doing sets of 10. And Just a bicep curl. Get it in. So, 8, 9, 10. Normally use the 50s, 65 sometimes, but we worked out one time, big, heavy compound movement, so we're going for repetitions. Your turn.
All right, you know I got it. There you go.
Man, get this. All right, see what she got. Really. See what you got. See what she working with. It too. Other side. It's a heavy one. Lightweight, baby. That boy running cold and say. All right, we're finna roll the B-roll, y'all.
I be calling slaves, get into the money. Shout out to Israel, outside be going dummy. Yeah, my team is on, and we doing things. Don't try us like this book, nigga, we no lanes. I'm on, I'm booming, I'm throwing up that cash. I'm